In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add code on Acuity in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up a new appointment system, customizing your scheduling page, or simply tweaking the functionalities to better serve your clients, knowing how to seamlessly integrate code into your Acuity platform can enhance your user experience significantly. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, let's head over to Acuity Scheduling's website. This is your gateway to smarter scheduling, allowing you to organize your appointments with ease. Once there, the next step is to sign into your account. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it to proceed. After clicking the login button, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you type in the email address associated with your Acuity account accurately to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your email, go ahead and click Next to move forward. Now, for those who enjoy the convenience of less password memorization, Acuity offers a seamless Continue with Google option. So if your Acuity account is linked with your Google account, simply click on Continue with Google. This option not only speeds up the login process, but also enhances account security. After clicking on it, you'll be presented with a list of your Google accounts. Select the Google account you've linked with your Acuity scheduling. This step is pretty straightforward, but do ensure you select the correct account to avoid any access issues later on. Now that we're logged in, let's navigate our way to the calendar. Your calendar is essentially the heart of your scheduling system, where all your appointments come to life. You can access it easily from your dashboard or by directly clicking on the provided link for the calendar page. Once you find yourself on the calendar page, the next step is to click on the appointment you're interested in modifying. You might have several appointments listed, so take a moment to locate the specific one you wish to edit. A detailed view of your appointments can really help in managing your schedule effectively, providing a clear outline of your day or week. After selecting the appropriate appointment, look for the Edit button. This button is your doorway to adjusting appointment details, making it a crucial step in the process. Clicking Edit will open up the appointment details for you to make changes to. Now here's where things get interesting. With the details open, you're going to add the specific code you wish to integrate into your appointment. This can be anything from custom HTML for a form, styling CSS, or even JavaScript for dynamic elements. Paste your code into the designated area. It's essential to double check the code for any errors to ensure it functions as intended once saved. Finally, after adding your code, the last step is to click on Save. This action secures all the changes you've made, including the integration of your custom code into the appointment. Saving also ensures that any modifications you've applied are updated immediately, guaranteeing your scheduling system operates smoothly with the new additions. And there you have it. You've successfully added custom code to your appointment on Acuity. Such a process not only enhances the functionality of your scheduling system, but also allows for a more tailored and improved experience for your clients. Remember, the versatility Acuity offers is one of its strongest points. By understanding how to integrate custom code into your scheduling system, you unlock a new level of customization and efficiency. Whether it's enriching the user interface, automating specific actions upon appointment booking, or injecting custom analytics tracking, the possibilities are endless. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope you found these instructions helpful and that you're now more comfortable making such customizations on your own. If you have any questions or would like to dive deeper into the world of Acuity scheduling, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy scheduling, and remember, with a bit of practice, integrating custom code into your Acuity appointments can be done in no time.